Hello my friends and welcome once again to Tony's Bits on the Side. Tony's Bits on the Side are a series of small short videos where I prepare side dishes and prep different types of food for other dishes. And in this case it's going to be prepping food. I decided that I needed some more garlic paste, so I'm going to do it here. I'm just going to show you how I make my garlic paste. It's super simple. And I thought at the same time I'm going to make some garlic and ginger paste for my curries. So we'll go through all that. Okay, so let's crack on. Right, we'll start with the garlic first, just pure garlic paste. Now what I've done here, I've obviously taken the paper off the cloves, the individual cloves of garlic. There's about a whole clove here, just over a clove of, a bulb of garlic here. I've taken the paper off, and I've also taken off these little end pieces, as you can see. We don't want those in the paste. And all there is in this is basically garlic and some oil, and blitzed up in this little mini processor. So we get the garlic, chuck it in, enough enough oil, not olive oil, just normal oil, sorry. Enough oil in to pretty much cover it. Seems a lot, but it's there to preserve it. Stick it in and blitz away. See, there's plenty of oil, plenty of garlic in there, and that would be good to preserve it in your fridge for, I've left mine in there for weeks, and it's fine. It actually ages and gets darker in colour, gets like a dark yellow, but the flavour is beautiful. So we just need to find an airtight container to put it in. Okay, pour it in. Too much. Now the only thing about this is that the container you put it in has to be bone dry before you put it in the fridge, because if it has any moisture in it, or even on the lid, the garlic will go mouldy. But that in your fridge will last, as I say, for weeks on end. So that's that. Now we'll turn our attention to the garlic and the ginger. Okay, for the second lot of garlic, we'll put it into the mixer. Now the ginger, I've already cut some up, but it just is there to make it easier for the mixer to chop up the ginger, because it can be a little bit tough. That's it. Dumble that in. There's a lot more in this, as you can see. Now along with this, I usually put in some coriander. So I've got a small bunch of fresh coriander here, or cilantro as the Americans call it. I'm just going to use half of it. Chop that up, put it in, pack it in. Space. Excuse me. And that should be it. Nice colour. Into a container, airtight container. I'll get it all in. Anyway, that's the same. You stick that in the fridge and that'll stay in the fridge fresh for weeks on end. Unlike the garlic, it'll start to age a little bit and give some extra flavour. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed this. It's so simple, but it's laborious actually taking all the paper off the garlic and taking off the ends, the rough ends. But believe me, when you come to make your dishes in the future, you'll be thankful of this. I'll tell you, it speeds up your individual meal times, no end. Okay, thank you, and once again, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, peace and love, my friends.